Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will understand the various types of Google Ads. As we discussed in the very first video, that Google is a large platform. It holds variety of properties like Google, YouTube, Google Maps, Google Play Store and partner website that you can use for your business or for your client business to get the maximum ROI in terms of sales, leads and website traffic. So let's understand the various types of Google Ads. So if I talk about the various types of Google Ads, these are the possible ad campaign type that you can use, which has search ad, display ad, shopping ad, video ad, app promotion ad, performance max ad, local ads and discovery ads. Don't worry, we'll understand each and every type in detail and we'll see the real life example as well. So starting with the first example, that is Google search ad. Google search ad, search campaign also you can see. So this is the very common and you can say the most popular type of Google Ads when you select among all of these, because it is something that you use or you see in a daily life more often. Whenever you search something on Google, let's say you search online medicine, and whatever results you see with a sponsored tag, these are called text based, or you can say search campaign. So these are the text based ads shown on Google search result. Whenever you search on Google, I'll show you the example as well. These are triggered by specific ad. Until unless you search something, you won't be able to see the ads. If you go to google.com and don't search anything, you won't be able to see the ads, because in order to trigger these ads, that is search ads, you need to enter or you need to search some keyword. Only the key terms or queries or some kind of text can trigger them, relevant text can trigger them, otherwise you will not be able to show them. Then best for lead generation and high intent user. As I say, high intent means people who are actually looking for, let's say if somebody searching for buy shoes online, it means this is the keyword through which you can tell that the person who is searching this keyword is specifically looking for shoes. It means the intent behind searching for shoes is highest, and that's why it is most popular. The example is medicine online. And how it looks in the real life, this is how it looks in real life. So let's say if you search for medicine online, whatever results you see on the Google search with the tag sponsored, it is important. If you don't see that tag is a sponsored, it means that is not a Google ad result, that is a SEO or organic result. Sometimes it is a possibility that it is not compulsory that every time you search something and Google ads will trigger. No, because every Google ad is related to a particular keyword which is selected by the advertiser of that business. So let's say if medicine is on medicine online, this is a keyword, right? Now for TrueMeds, for PharmEasy, these are the relevant keywords. And that's why they are able to show their ads on this particular keyword. Otherwise, if you search something randomly which may not be potentially fruitful to generate revenue or leads for any potential business, then you might not see ads every time. So it is important to identify this ad as a sponsored one. So this is the first type of campaign, that is called search campaign. Don't worry, we'll understand each and every campaign in detail along with practical how to create it in upcoming videos. This is the video where we are understanding what are the types of campaign available inside the Google Ads dashboard. Now coming to the next type of campaign or next type of Google ad, that is called display campaign. So this is something which even if you don't want, you will be able to show. Maybe you must have noticed that whenever you visit a website, third party website or a normal website, you might have seen some ads on the top of that website, on the right hand side of the website, or maybe some pop-up. So these kind of ads here and there on a particular website in terms of in form of images or videos or small GIF, these are called display ads. And these are not triggered because you search something. These are triggered because you have visited a website, and based on that website interest or website targeting or your history, they are being shown to you. So this is the visual banner or image ad on Google Display Network. It means the partner website, it means the website which have partnered with Google platform, that they have allowed ads from Google Ads to show their website, that is called Google Display Network. So you will see the ads on that, and it is not required that you search something, you directly visit a website, you will still see the advertisement on that website. It appears on website, applications, Gmail, whenever you play some games, right, in your mobile phone. So you must have noticed that within a game or inside a game, you must have seen the advertisement popping up every time. Let's say you are scrolling, or you are trying to play game, or you are trying to use some application, so you must have seen advertisement, that is called display ads. And inside your Gmail as well, you must have noticed there are some emails which are marked as ad. It means those are display ads. These display campaigns are great for brand awareness and remarketing, because it is being shown to people forcefully. Forcefully means they are not supposed to search something. So based on their interest, based on their behavior, I can target them or maybe to retarget them. If the visitors have already visited my website and now they are visiting any third party website, I can target them. The best example is that you have visited any e-commerce website, let's say Amazon, and you search for shoes. You did not buy something, you did not create an account, but after some time the similar kind of advertisement are in your news feed of Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere you go, the same kind of advertisements are shown to you. It is called remarketing or retargeting. It means first time you have seen something by your interest and now the brands are showing you the similar kind of product or offers. So display campaigns are great way to remarket people or to build a brand awareness. Example is product ads when seeing on browsing new website. The example is this. So the very most common website, that is speed test. So whenever you want to check the speed of your internet, the most common website is speedtest.net. And if you must have noticed that whenever you are coming onto website, there are advertisements on the top, on the right hand side, on the left hand side, and on the bottom side. These are called display ads. And every time you visit the website, based on your interest, based on your previous history, search and targeting, these ads keep on changing. These banners will not remain same every time. It will change every time you visit the website or maybe for a particular session. So this is the second type of campaign, that is called display campaign. The third type of campaigns are video and shopping campaigns. Video campaigns you must have seen on YouTube. Like for example, you are watching this video, so before starting the video you must have seen some ad, or maybe between the video you are watching some ads. These are called video ads, which you see in the starting of the video, middle of the video, and at the end of the video. These are called video ads, and these are shown on YouTube mostly because YouTube is owned by Google and some partner websites as well. And if I talk about the ideal use of these campaign, that is boost engagement and awareness, because every time you see some visual in terms of video, your memory gets sharper and your memory is able to grasp that more quickly as compared to text or image, because video is the most powerful way to inherit any kind of information into anyone's mind. So that is the video campaign. And if I talk about shopping campaign, let's say you search for buy shoes online or shoes buy online, you see some products ad directly on the Google with the price, with the photo and with the name, but again marked as sponsored or marked as ad. As soon as you click on that product, you will be directly landed on the page where the product is listed or maybe the category of that product is listed. It is called shopping campaign, and the ideal use of this shopping campaign is to generate sales for your e-commerce business, where you don't want to generate leads, you directly want people to come onto your website, add to cart or buy now, add the payment method and place the order directly. That's why these are the ideal campaigns. And if I talk about how these campaigns look in the real life, so this is the prime example, shopping campaigns. So let's say you search for shoes online and you are seeing these kind of advertisement because these are marked as sponsored. So this is called shopping campaign. And whenever you play a YouTube video, if you see there are a skippable ad of 5 second, 10 second or non-skippable ad as well. So whenever there is an advertisement in the starting of the video, middle of the video and at the end of the video, these are called video campaign. The next is app and performance max campaign. Let's say you have an application which you want to promote and you want more and more people to download and install that application. So Google Ads covered you as well. So Google Ads provide you an objective or type, that is Google App Campaign, because Google owns a Google Play Store which is available for all the Android devices, which is a major platform. So you can promote your application on variety of platform including Play Store via Google Ads, and it is ideal for those who are looking to increase their download of their mobile application either via YouTube, Play Store, search engine. So Google Ads provides you that as well. The next is performance max. It means you don't want to specifically target any particular platform. You want all the campaigns to be used, all the platforms to be used of Google. All the Google property should be included so that your reach is maximized. Then you can go for the performance max campaign. It is best for overall conversion and scaling. So when you have a large budget and you want aggressive marketing, you can go for performance max campaigns. These are the example of app campaigns. So that's how you see the advertisement whenever there is an option that takes you to the download the app, or you can say install the app. So it means it is a app campaign. And if I talk about the performance max campaign, it means it uses all the possible platforms of Google, YouTube, Display, Google, Discover, Gmail, Map, everything. That is called performance max campaign. Now the thing comes is how to choose the right platform. It depends on your business objective, but if you want to increase website traffic, go for search campaign. If you want want to build brand awareness, go for display or video campaign. If you want to sell the product, go for shopping campaign. If you want to promote a mobile application, go for app campaign. Or if you want to get maximize conversion, go for performance max campaign. But don't worry, we'll cover each and every type of campaign along with practical example in upcoming videos. So stay tuned, watch this series, save this playlist and share with all your friends who want to learn Google Ads in depth practically for free.